Hello everyone, my name is Anju Sharma from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Malerkotla. Today my topic is air around us. Air is the mixture of gases on the earth. Air contains many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other particles like dust, smoke, etc. These are the figures where we can see that they move with the help of the wind. Moving air is known as wind, and a thick blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, and these move with the wind because moving air can make a thing to move. That yacht and parachute can move with the help of a wind. After that, composition of air, because all gases have different percentage in the air, so like nitrogen is the major constituent of air. Air contains 78% of nitrogen and oxygen 21%, and the remaining 1% is contained by other gases, water vapor, dust, smoke, etc. Oxygen, we know oxygen is present in 21%, and oxygen always supports burning and nitrogen does not support burning. Carbon dioxide. Air contains 0.003% of carbon dioxide. Plants and animals take in oxygen and they can give out carbon dioxide, and they can use this carbon dioxide to prepare their food during the process of photosynthesis. Water vapors. We know air contains varying amount of water vapor depending upon the weather of a place. The sun heats the water in the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, and that water evaporates and it can change into water vapor by the process of evaporation. Like we can see that image, wet clothes. Wet clothes contain some amount of water, and after some time in the heat of the sun we can see that the clothes dry because that water converts into water vapor by heating. That is by the process of evaporation. Next constituent is dust and smoke. Air contains dust, air also contains smoke. We can see sometimes during the beam of the sunlight enters through some area, we can see dust particles over there. Air supports life. We all need air to survive. Air contains oxygen and carbon dioxide, useful to plants and animals. Plants use carbon dioxide of the air to make their food by the process of photosynthesis. Because during photosynthesis they use carbon dioxide that is given by us. We can take in oxygen by the plants. In amphibians, what is the importance of air? Firstly, we come to know what are amphibians. Amphibians are those animals that can live both on land as well as in water. Amphibians such as frogs, newts, salamanders need breathing system both for air and water. Like crocodiles and alligators swim through water with part of their snout above the water surface to breathe easily through nostrils. Like frog is also an amphibian, but they use different breathing organ on land as well as in water. In water they breathe through their moist skin, and when the frog is on land they use lungs. In birds have a very efficient respiratory system as they need high levels of oxygen during flight. Birds have a pair of lungs with air sacs that remain open all the time so that air can easily pass through them. So air also helps in the movement of birds so that they can fly. In mammals we know the main breathing organ is lungs, and here the respiratory system is shown how humans can use oxygen or they can take air. Through the nose the air enters to the windpipe, and through the windpipe it divides into two tubes through which air enters both the lungs. And how the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide is maintained in the air. We know plants can give oxygen to the animals, and animals use this oxygen for breathing, and in turn animals when take oxygen they give out carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is used by plants to prepare their food. In this way, they both depend on each other. It shows the interdependence of plants and animals on each other. Thank you.